This JEETEE 13-piece white nonstick cookware set is like a blank canvas for your kitchen adventures. It brings together essential pots and pans. They boast a smooth, white ceramic surface. This nonstick coating means your food will glide off easily. Imagine eggs sliding like butter in the morning. Cleaning up after breakfast will be a breeze for us. The JEETEE 13-piece white nonstick cookware set is also about healthy cooking. It is free from harmful chemicals like PTFE and PFOA. You can cook your favorite meals without worry. This set works on all kinds of stoves, including induction. So, whether you have a gas or electric stove, these pots and pans are compatible. They heat evenly, so your food cooks perfectly every time. This is a big plus for anyone watching their diet. Consider this JEETEE 13-piece white nonstick cookware set a worthy purchase. It offers a great combination of style and function. The white color will brighten up your kitchen. The nonstick surface makes cooking and cleaning simpler. While we can't show you photos here, imagine a sleek, modern look. Many reviews online praise its nonstick ability and easy cleaning. This set could be a great addition to your life in the kitchen. Pros: ceramic nonstick 13-piece set, induction ready, non-toxic, PTFE free, PFOA free, all. Stoves, white color, easy cooking, kitchen set. Cons: lower price may mean lower quality, metal bottom could scratch glass stoves, rubber around lids. Might not be preferred, hand wash recommended, not for oven. Some models, delicate, not for high heat. Some reviews, lids can get dings easily. Shipping, removable handle is a gimmick. Some features, ceramic nonstick 13-piece set, white color, pots and pans, induction ready, non-toxic, PTFE and PFOA free, all stove types, kitchen set, cooking set. This JEETEE ceramic cookware set is a 13-piece kitchen set that comes in white color. It includes pots and pans with a nonstick ceramic coating. This set is designed for all types of stoves, including induction. The cookware is made without harmful chemicals like PTFE and PFOA, so it's a non-toxic option for cooking in your kitchen. The JEETEE ceramic cookware set is a 13-piece white kitchen set with a nonstick ceramic coating that is free of harmful chemicals. It can be used on all types of stoves, including induction. This set makes cooking easier. But some people think that a lower price might mean it's not as good quality. The metal bottom could scratch glass stoves, and some don't like the rubber around the lids. It's best to wash these by hand, and some models are not meant for the oven or high heat. Also, the lids might get damaged during shipping, and the removable handle might not be very useful for everyone.